To get started with AliExpress dropshipping, your very first step is to create a business dropshipping account. You can use the link provided in the app to immediately get a $100 AliExpress coupon code. After that, simply complete the AliExpress registration process. Once that's done, go back to the AliExpress app and sign in with the account you've just created. After successfully linking your account, you'll be redirected straight to the onboarding process. Here, you'll be prompted to set up some important initial settings. Firstly, you'll need to set your account currency. It's crucial to make sure this currency precisely matches the one you are currently using in your store. This will help avoid any discrepancies. Next, you'll select the language you prefer to use within your funnel or your store. Upon finishing the onboarding process, you will then see the overview page. From here, you can now begin exploring the various products you'll be selling. You'll find all the product details readily available for your review. You can also filter the products by country. This is important to ensure the product you're importing actually ships to the country you're selling to. Once you find a product you like, you can then select it. Upon selection, a pop-up window titled Import Products to Store will appear. Here, you'll see several advanced options. For instance, you can choose to enable tracking inventory for all products, or automatically update inventory for pushed products. You can also set automatic price updates and automatically update the price when it changes on AliExpress. There's also an option to import reviews for all products. Under the Language section, you can select the language you prefer for importing these products. Make sure to choose the correct one, such as English US. Below that, you'll see Products to Import, which lists the specific product you've selected, along with its cost, shipping fee, total cost, and your proposed selling price. After reviewing these options, you can then click Push to Account to push it to your LightFunnels account. Now that all the essential product details are available in your LightFunnels dashboard, you'll proceed to set them up within your funnel builder. Please make absolutely sure that your checkout page includes all the necessary fields. This is vital to avoid any synchronization issues down the line. Specifically, this includes noting the customer's email address, their shipping country, their first and last names, the full shipping address, the state and province, city, zip code, and their phone number. Let's now try to make a test order. This will allow us to see exactly how your orders are automatically synced to your app, and importantly, how they can then be synced over to AliExpress. Back in your AliExpress app, you can easily find the order you just placed by simply clicking Sync. This action will automatically create the order within your AliExpress dashboard, which is where you will then need to pay for your orders. Finally, the order statuses will be automatically synced between your platforms. And there you have it, a seamless process to manage your dropshipping orders efficiently.